The universe has infinite power, he can control all, everything in the world cannot be separated from him, including you and I are no exception. This force is called the law of attraction. The universe can give you everything you can't imagine. If you want to use this power to change your life, let it bring you wealth, happiness, health, positivity, optimism, hope, love and so on. Watch Change Your Life Action, the YouTube channel, which allows you to get everything you want. Watch immediately. Remember to subscribe to YouTube channel. It's best to click on this bell-shaped icon, so that you're the first to receive a new video. It can make a perfect change in your life. Let's start watching now. Today's title is Applying the Law of Attraction for Your Own Health and Wellness. The responsibility of maintaining a healthy and age-resistant body is entirely within our hands. Our physical health and outward age is simply a manifestation of our inner thoughts and beliefs, whether they are conscious or unconsciously thought, which gives us complete power over whether we choose to accept premature aging or illness into our bodies or not. One of the greatest things that we can learn from the law of attraction is that within our minds we have the power to choose our thoughts, whether positive or negative. This can have an impact on our physical and mental health too. Mind over matter is possible, and by opening up our minds we can all develop exceptional healing abilities of our very own. How to manifest improved health? It has already been acknowledged within modern medicine that the placebo effect is very real. This demonstrates the magnitude of importance that the mind has in the physical recovery of the body. It has conveyed to the world the marvelous capabilities of the mind in its ability to convince itself and the body into a state of total health, without any external intervention. However, this is not to say that conventional forms of medicine should not also be adhered to. Modern medicines and medical intervention have a crucial part to play in the healing process. However, when combined with the remarkable capabilities of the mind, healing can be accelerated and will encourage long-lasting health. Whether we are aware of it or not, the powers of attraction are continually within play. Therefore, whatever is going on within our mental psyche is often being reflected in the condition of our physical body. This is why any symptoms or ailments that our body displays should be received gratefully, as they are a warning to us that something needs to be changed. 1. Eliminate stress. The single most common cause of any emotional or physical illness is always the result of some form of stress that our mind has experienced. Build-ups of negativity which have been left unchecked will continue to grow until they eventually spill over into some physical sign of illness. As a result, eliminating all forms of physiological stress and refusing to allow any room in your mind for dwelling on the discomfort or worry of bad health can allow your body the room and time to eliminate itself of all illnesses. There should be no room for illness or aging in a body where the mind sees itself as absolutely perfect. 2. Improve your self-image and utilize positive thinking. Taking charge of our bodies also means taking control over our self-image, including the issue of weight and our attitudes towards weight loss. The predicament of weight loss and the long battle that you or may not have waged with your body throughout your lifetime has become more and more complex as our society has become more fixated with what we eat and the way that we look. Do you constantly find yourself fixating on your weight? Are you disheartened by the sight that greets you whenever you take a look in the mirror? If this is so and you are looking to lose weight and acquire your dream body with minimal effort on your part, then you need to ensure that your thoughts are in check first and foremost. Whatever thoughts you choose to fill your head with, including fat or skinny thoughts, will be reflected in great abundance. Notice the problem? Then focus on exchanging fat thoughts for TH ones, or vice versa, immediately if this is what you want. Once you begin to train your thoughts, you can discover and experience how positive thinking boosts health. When you obsess about your weight, this can only lead to more fat thoughts and increased weight gain. Unbeknown to many people, countless Weight Watchers will go on numerous diets and spend hours dedicated to fretting about their waistline, unknowingly contributing towards their weight the entire time. Your body is perfect. Remember this and remain focused on the love that you feel for your body right now. 3. Use mindful eating for weight loss. Emotional eating can be a source of shame and frustration, but there are ways to beat it. The trick is to learn more about your triggers and develop a pattern of mindful eating that replaces the old, self-destructive pattern of being an emotional eater. Read more from my Mindful Eating Techniques article here now. When it comes to weight, the law of attraction works in the exact same way that it would within any other part of your life. Because of this, if you are looking to lose weight, you should find out more about how to harness the power of attraction in order to help transform your vision of a perfect you into a perfect reality. 4. Healthy mind and healthy body. Learning how to use the law of attraction, using the visualization tools and law of attraction exercises that are available to us to become the masters of our minds, we can all come to filter which thoughts we choose to listen to, controlling the amount of stress we permit into our bodies. As a result, we are striving to achieve complete health and feelings of well-being. It also works both ways, with health, wellness and exercise promoting positive thinking. Watch and see. Our minds are continually subject to bombardment with messages from society. They inform us that we need to diet, teach us about all of the illnesses and dangers to our health. These messages remain insistent on the inevitable toll that aging can have on us all. Reject these ideas immediately. You and you alone are in control of what happens to your body. Maintain a strong, positive mind and then record your results. Do you struggle to lose weight? Do you find it hard to stay motivated to eat healthily and exercise? Click below the description of the video to discover how self-hypnotherapy could keep you motivated on your weight loss journey and also be extremely beneficial to your health. Do you want your life to be better and better? Do you want your finances to be stable? Do you want to find an ideal lover? I believe that you always want to have both career and love. Have you found solution yet? We already have the answer for you. All the answers are for you. Click on the link in the description below my video. Click here, show more. To see more details description. All you need is here. Subscribe to our channel, you'll be the first to receive the latest video, and click on the link in the description below the video to find your own answer. I believe the valuable answer will change your life. That's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment. If you find it interesting, bye, and see you again in the next videos.